What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. Today we got something really special. We're going to be mutant and proud, but more importantly what we're going to be doing is we are going to be unboxing and reviewing. Believe it or not, this is the limited edition custom mix for Sour Patch Kids with Funko Pop Head inside. So let's get to it. Cut. And we'll get a cut. And we'll also get a nice another cut right there. Should be good. Boom. All right, open this up. And first we can see just summary, Bill, Sour Patch Kids. We got lots of little airbags. These will be fun to pop later. Embrace your inner kid, right? It's always worth a good pop. Let's get one. Just for, yay, there we go. It's always nice, always fun to do that. So we'll get rid of that. And, in here, we got our Funko Pop Head. But first, let's get this bad boy out. Let's get this box out of here. Put it down here. Nothing else in there? Nope. Okay. And here it is, guys. My custom mix Sour Patch Kids. So, before we open this up, you know what? I gotta get a screen grab. Not a screen grab, but a thumbnail for the video. So, let's go ahead. Cut this tape. Now, personally, my favorite is blue, but they're all sold out of blue. Went with the next best thing. We got our purple Funko Pop Head for a Sour Patch Kid. So, you know what we can do here? We can get this just like this. We can get our nice little Funko right here for the next part, and boom. One of those will end up being the image, but you know what? Let's just do another one. Boom, right there. So, one of those will end up being the image, but let's go ahead. Yeah, we're definitely not going to open this up, but you can see him right there. Nice little cool Funko Pop Head. Now, I don't want to damage the box on this, so let's be super careful here. And just slide the knife in like so. There we go. Cut that. Let's get this this plastic knife off. Here, now we can see it probably a little bit better. Now, I got every single flavor except for one, which I think was like the pineapple. So this, yeah, you can actually see when you custom order these guys, they will put every single flavor on the box. So you can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the possible 8 flavors. So let's go ahead, get this bad boy opened. I'm trying to be careful because I don't really know what's inside. All right, we got that popped. Now we can get this. All right, so from here, yeah, it's straight up just it's same thing on both sides. Just our nice 2-pound bag that has all of our delicious flavors in it. So let's go ahead, pop this bad boy open. Boom, that's open. Guys, let me know in the comment section below what's your favorite flavor. Mine is definitely the blue, but you can see we got the yellow, right? I used to dislike the yellow or the lemon, but it's really come around on me. Good. So good. We have our orange, right? There we go. I like the addition of the purple now. That's bomb. Pink, green. Green I'm just indifferent with, but I do like it. I love Pink Friend, Pink Lemonade. And then we, ooh, that one got me. A little bit extra sour on that one. Or blue, right? Just like the hair. Delicious. So fucking good. Now we got to get a whole handful. Purple, yellow, green, pink, blue, orange. Make sure that we have all of our flavors. 1, 2, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What am I missing here? Oh, the red. The red. Give me a red. Where you at, red? There's a red. There is a red right there. Boom. So we have the red, right? Now, we're going to do, get an entire handful. So good. So damn good. Watering. Mouth is absolutely watering. I love Sour Patch Kids. The all berries mix is bomb too, but I personally have to say my favorite is the Sour Patch Kids Extreme. I like that little bit of extra sour, but guys, let me know again if you like Sour Patch Kids, if there's another sour candy you actually like more. This is a tried and true favorite. This is a really cool novelty, really cool gift you can get for yourself or anyone else. It's got your name on it, Noah, yours truly. And then you got the pop head that comes along with it. So I love pop heads. I collect this stuff, so worth it for me. But I loved it. I hope you guys loved this video, and I'll see you in the next one.